3 beverages a day. It's 6. You're not going to feel deprived. I kind of feel like the cashew milk is dessert. Best part, the #1 benefit that most people experience is weight loss. They even give you free same-day delivery. Just use the code word radio. Don't forget to enter Corey on star 1013. That's Corey. Check it out at squeezed.com.
The joyous colors of summer are on display at Shreve.
Each happy color captured in a natural gemstone.
The iridescent glimmer and shimmer of mother of pearl whispers softly, "Let's go sailing."
The calm waters of the Caribbean shine from natural turquoise.
Topaz comes in every color of an ocean sunset.
And amethyst glows like tropical flowers.
Iolite is the violet blue of a summer storm over the Sea of Galilee.
Shreve and Company.
At 150 Post and in the Stanford Shopping Center.
From now until the end of July, stop in your local grocery outlet to participate in our annual Independence from Hunger Drive. This year more than ever, local food organizations need your support. So take part in our Give 5, Get 5 program. When you donate $5 in cash or donation bag, we will give you a $5 coupon for a future visit. All donations stay in your local community. Be sure to visit your neighborhood grocery outlet today and join us in our fight against hunger, going on now through the end of July.
Grocery outlet, bargain market.
Hey, kiddo, ready to catch that movie?
Almost. Wallet, phone, keys, mask. Yep, all set.
Mask? That's not required, is it?
No, but it's gonna be busy and crowded, so I'll feel better with it on.
You right. It is open at night. Let me grab mine.
Nice. You'll pass the vibe check, Dad.
Wearing a mask when it can help protect you and others is just one way to keep each other safer. Brought to you by the California Department of Public Health.
Back-to-school doorbusters are in session at JCPenney. Through Sunday, while they last, save 60% on Izod school uniforms. Load up on $9.99 Arizona graphic tees. And soak up the last drops of summer with shorts for the family, starting at $12.99. If it's easier, shop jcp.com now, pick it up curbside later. Shopping is back. JCPenney. Offers good on select styles through 7/17. Conditions and exclusions apply. See store or jcp.com for details.
Star 1013, counting them down on American Top 40. Star 1013.
American Top 40.
Built by the Home Depot.
Looking to replace your whole floor at Home Depot, you'll find a wide selection of the best brands. Schedule your free carpet installation today. Free carpet installation on purchases of $499 or more. No square foot minimum. Excludes in-stock styles.
These are the hottest songs in America.
On American Top 40.
We're just outside your top 10. And Lady Gaga has expanded her film career in the last few years, stepping in front of the camera for A Star Is Born and House of Gucci, as well as composing music behind the scenes for Top Gun Maverick. But her next role could combine music and acting into one, as she's reportedly in talks to play Harley Quinn in the upcoming film Joker 2. It'll be a musical. Here's an example of her cinematic sound from the Top Gun Maverick soundtrack. Hold My Hand, 13, Gaga.
into my wishful eyes. That fear that's inside you will lift if it's time. I can see everything you're blind to now. Your prayers will be answered. Let God whisper how to tell me you need me. I see that you're bleeding. You don't need to show me again. But if you decide to, I'll ride in this life
nice tattoo. That's cool.
I heard from the heaven.
13, Hold My Hand, Lady Gaga. And let's keep it moving straight into 12 on the countdown. Bum Bum, Camila Cabello, and Sheeran.
You said you hated the ocean, but you're surfing now. I said I love you for life, but I just sold our house. We were kids at the start, I guess we're grown-ups now. Couldn't ever imagine even having doubts, but not everything works out. Now I'm out dancing with strangers. You could be casually dating, damn, it's all changing so fast. I see how it, I see, yeah, that's just life, baby. Yeah, I came around and it knocked me down, but I'm back on my feet. I see how it, I see, yeah, that's just life, baby. I was barely sitting, but now I'm dancing, he's all over me. Put a bum 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 bum, put a bum 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 bum, put a bum 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 bum, put a bum 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 bum. I see how it, put a bum 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 bum, put a bum 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 bum, put a 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 bum 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 bum, put a 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 bum It's been a hell of a year, think that we made it out. Walking away and trying not to drown. And on the surface I held it together underneath. Where would I be? You're all that I need. My world, baby, you hold me down. You always hold me down. I've been a breaker and broken. Every mistake turns to moments. Wouldn't take anything back. I still love it, I see. Yeah, that's just life, baby. Yeah, I came amazing and knocked me down, but I'm back on my feet. I still love it, I see. Yeah, that's just life, baby. I was really chasing, but now I'm fixing it all away.
That is number 12. All right, Andy Grammer has a new song out, and it's a personal track about an important person in his life, his godmother, Lee. Andy said that after his mom passed away, Lee showed up and supported everything in his life, big and small. So he wrote this song as a it's a collaboration with DJ Rehab, and it's called Save My Life, the Breakout Spot.
I think you should know you saved my life. I don't think you realize what you've done for me. Oh, I don't think you realize what a little love could mean. Oh, you stayed by my side, and you kept on the lights, and you knew just what to say when I was fading. Sometimes you realize what your words. Oh, the whole world was falling all around me, but I held on to you. Oh, you stayed by my side. You kept on the lights and you knew just what to say when I was fading. Sometimes all that you need is someone who can believe in you more than you do. I was lost until I saw your halo. I was blind until I saw your light. I believe, my friends, we all have angels, and you are mine. I think you should know you saved my life. Oh, oh, oh. I think you should know you saved my life. Until I saw your halo. Until I saw your light. I think you should know you saved my life. My friend, we all have angels. I think you should know you saved my life.
You're on air with Ryan Seacrest.
American Top 40.
Number 11.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful. Bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone. Conversations with a stranger, nothing he knew. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white lies, staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out, now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. My bad habits lead to you. Every pure intention that